Not bad. I'll take it, guys. Not a bad start to the week for Palantir stock. Currently, we're up almost 2.75% right now, as we're pretty much halfway through the day, a little more than halfway through the trading day right now, as the entire market is up for the most part. S&P is up 0.1%. QQQ's up now about 0.5%. And the Dow's, it's been bouncing from green to red all day, pretty much at break even, as the Russell is down about 0.2%. But overall, pretty good start to Monday, to the week here. And we're going to break down the charts in this video, guys, go over what I'm seeing, my thoughts, and we'll go over the indexes, maybe some other stocks later in the video. So hit the like button, subscribe, join the email stock newsletter. It is free. And if you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio every week, we post updates. There's a Discord chat as well. That's on Patreon, linked down below. And now let's dive into it. So PLTR right now is sitting at $157.25, trading up over 2.6% on the day, with a lot of that gain, pretty much all of that gain, coming in the first 5 minutes of trading. 3 to 5 minutes of trading, not even. Actually, some of the move came in the pre-market, but either way, we ran up about 2.5–3% right at open. Pretty much, it started in the pre-market either way. But yeah, pretty hot start to the day for PLTR. And essentially, guys, what did this solidify? Just, yet again, it solidified yet again the support level at $150 to $152 a share. We've covered this time and time again. Palantir has been holding it, and it held it yet again. Are you guys surprised? Yeah, I'm not really surprised. We saw that we did tank under 152 last week. We covered this in the video yesterday. We covered that, but we've recovered back over it. After we tanked under that spot. Did I say, yeah, I meant Friday. On Friday, that happened either way. We can see that here. We fell through it. We got to 148, but we've since then recovered. So Palantir, man, it's a waiting game. The stock's still trading sideways. We do have a death cross here on the 1 hour chart, but is it that worrisome? I don't know. It's still consolidating despite that death cross. And again, we did fall through 150 last week on Friday, but now we're back over it. So let's just see. It's towing the line. It's towing this line right now. Let's see if we ultimately break back under 150. If so, obviously at that point, I think we could fill the gap down to 142. That's a spot I'm looking at. We hit that, I think, in the middle of August. Yeah, end of August, middle August. That's where it could go. If 142 broke, it could slip further, but we're just not there. It's obvious that the bulls are fighting in the mid-150s. And, we're pushing 160 again, man, just like that. Palantir is pushing 160, but you got to keep an eye on the head and shoulders. We've covered this before on these updates. That's still intact. The right shoulder still intact. And until we break out of the neckline, which is at 165, the head and shoulders will remain intact. So keep that in mind. I'll set my alert at $165 per share for now, and that's the spot I'm going to be watching for that potential breakout. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Quick little breakdown update. Nothing too much, honestly, to talk about, other than the fact that, again, we're confirming that 150 spot as support. It's a rock solid support, guys. I don't think we got much news if anything today from Palantir. Looks like here it says Palantir's value-based business approach is macro insulated, according to an analyst. Did an analyst write a piece today? Looks like this came out here. Looks like here Perez Mora reaffirmed her bullish stance on Palantir, projecting continued profitable growth as the company cements its position as a leader in turning data into operational improvements. After attending AIPCon 8 in San Francisco, the analyst concluded that Palantir's moat lies in its ability to generate tangible business outcomes. She noted that the company's differentiated approach to data integration and AI. which I love. So, yeah, it looks like maybe that gave it juiced the stock up a little bit. Probably not. I mean, it looks like, again, the overall market's up, probably helping Palantir, but just keep your eyes on it. 160, 165, big resistance coming up, and keep your eyes on, well, some of these other stocks that we're about to cover. Number one is First Majestic Silver. Guys, ticker AG. Silver has been hot. Silver has been hot, and if you look at the actual chart of silver, it's up another 0.75% today, trading at multi-month, multi-year highs. And on the max chart, this is the cleanest cup and handle I've almost ever seen, or at least in my memory. You know what I mean? Look at this cup and handle on silver. It's been forming now for almost half a century. this the price of silver hit $50 back in the 80s, 1980 to be exact. And it's obviously artificially suppressed. We all know that. And I mean, look at this, man. Cup and handle. So clearly, this to me is going back to $50 an ounce. I think we're breaking $50 an ounce. So for that reason, I'm watching, obviously, silver itself, but a lot of silver stocks. AG being one of them. Again, First Majestic Silver. SLV is a silver ETF. It tracks the price of silver. That's a direct kind of silver price play. If you think silver is going to go to 50 an ounce and you don't want to go and buy a bunch of silver, you're going to need a lot of silver to make that, a nice trade. You could just go buy SLV. You could just go buy SLV, which is the equivalent of GLD for gold. Right? So those are a couple I'm looking at. I like silver, the way it's setting up. Let's see what else. Amazon I bought more of a couple days ago. Amazon's one that I think is overall going to set up for a bigger breakout. We kind of have a cup and handle on Amazon. You guys see here we have the cup, the handle. We have resistance at about 240. I mean, Amazon's only up like 7-8% year to date. It's not doing much this year, guys. I think that's about to change. Heading into the end of the year, I think we're gearing up for a breakout. You can see here the cup and handle, ascending triangle. The writing's on the wall, man. It's right there. And people that think, technical analysis is a bunch of BS. Come talk to me in a couple months, man. This looks like it's about to break out. It's not guaranteed. Technical analysis doesn't work 100% of the time. But if you think it doesn't help, you're crazy. I've made so much money using technical analysis, and I use it. And the thing is, people don't realize you can use it in your long-term investing. It's not like you only use charts or technical analysis only if you're day trading or swing trading. I mean, yeah, you use it when you're swing trading and day trading, but figuring out long-term position entry points using technical analysis is great. It's helped me a bunch with my long-term investing, pinpointing the entry points. I was looking at Amazon exactly, doing exactly that. I was looking at this. I'm like, all right, we dumped after earnings, charts holding up well. Let me add. Did exactly that. I added at like 215, 220. Here we are, 235. And now I'm seeing the cup and handle, which if it plays out, I think we're going 250 plus. So yeah, Amazon, I'm loving it. I bought more. I'm long. It's up on the day. Beautiful, 1.4%. Let's see what else. CrowdStrike's moving a little bit, which I actually sold out of. You guys probably know that. But if it breaks back over 450, maybe I'll get back in on some momentum there. We'll see. Coinbase is moving on this Monday here, guys. Coinbase is up 2%, but the chart does not look great yet. This thing needs to break back over, I would say, at least $320 a share. I'll set my alert there for now, and we'll see where it goes. But yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to wrap it up. Hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. Join the email stock newsletter. It's free. And check out my Patreon if you guys want to keep up with my portfolio updates every week. Be a part of the Discord, plus more. That's down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.